So we're on to making a tool V3.
V3. What do we decide on?
We're going to cut it and weld it at a 90 so it's small enough to fit in the well for the spark plug. So cut it off.
Yeah.
Weld her up like that, something like that. Should be cool. It might still not work. But...
Oh, V6.
Okay.
Oh. Alright, we'll weld it.
Ready. Go. Oh, we going TIG on this.
Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right.
You have to. Look how small it is.
There's no way you're going to lay 6 feet on that.
I'm not, but I'm going to do something of the sort.
You're getting the shot now. There we go.
That should work. We will see. Step 5, buy a TIG welder.
Yeah.
Step 5 of removing spark plugs from Mustang.
This is so dumb. I didn't believe you. On a scale of 1 to why am I doing this, what do you think the odds of
1,000%.
of this not working is?
Yeah. Okay. There was definitely some stuff on that.
That was a big, it was like really bright from where I was standing.
I gotta see. I just did one little piece. Yeah. Let's see if it actually fits. Oh, that's kind of money actually.
Hold on, let me get a.
It's actually pretty sweet.
Wow, custom.
Custom. All right. Some more welds. Oh, look at that. Nice color too.
That's the first thing I noticed.
The nicest weld ever on this piece of crap. Whoa! Yeah, there it is. So now that you learned to weld,
which was step 6 by the way.
You can learn to weld in 5 minutes if you watch YouTube.
Oh man.
But now you can weld for all the other things that aren't going to work on your Mustang. Shouldn't even put this away. I probably had to make another tool for the other side. For the next spark plug. So now that you made your tool, see if it fits on your spark plug. See,
That's
lays right in there.
Perfect.
And hopefully it can pull it out.
So how much are we selling these for?
So these tools?
25 a pop.
Yeah.
From so everyone go to joeysworkshop.com.
We're
gonna do a bulk order, 10% off first batch.
This is really hot. Here goes something. That's on there. Oh! Yeah. That's on there. Whoa, buddy! What up? Made a tool that worked. All right.
Wow!
Success.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
That was awesome!
I don't even know where it went.
Exploded.
It's somewhere. Came
Oh,
out.
it's right here.
What happened was, first, this loosened itself up and broke itself from this part of the metal down here. But then it was just sitting on here like this, floating, so I had to pull that out. And this was stuck in here with the rest of the ceramic that was down this portion of ceramic that's actually still in the car. And then this was stuck in that ceramic, so I couldn't pull it out, so I made the tool to grab on there. Pull that out. Now the last step is to use this tool to first, we're gonna actually use, yeah, this one. We're gonna push the ceramic that's still stuck down in the car down a little bit.
Is there ceramic still?
Yeah, there's still this part of the ceramic.
Oh.
Still in the sleeve in the car. Push that down enough so that then we can thread this into this metal, on the inside of that metal. Thread it into there, and then yank that whole piece out all together. So there.
That is one spark plug.
That's the process right there.
Spark plug.
Holy crap. Yep.
We're trying to do one spark plug every 2 hours. So,
Well, I said it's 2 days for this.
I want to see this bad boy work. Oh, that threads in and then it pushes.
Threads into the actual spark plug threads.
Yeah, yeah.
And then the pusher's just floating in there right now. We're gonna throw this on the top, and that's gonna push the pusher to push the rest of the porcelain down further. It's actually pretty easy to do. Just pushing it down. Make sure, well, gotta keep going. Oh yeah, now it's pushing it down, you can feel it. Oh! I don't know what that was. Oh. You go till it bottoms out.
Oh, okay.
Even though it seems like a lot. Yep, now you take both. Okay. Well, looks good. Looks like it's gonna work. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Left-hand thread. Stupid. I think that's enough. It's working.
Yep.
There it is. Although it looks like some broke off.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably pushed through. Or what do you mean?
Well, some of the porcelain broke off, so it's in the cylinder. So yeah, might try to vacuum that out if possible. So we can show the graveyard of spark plugs. So bad.
So messed up.
It's messed up, Ford. Not happy, man. The heck?
We are unsatisfied.
Not cool.
Unsatisfied customers.
I'm leaving you a bad review on Yelp.
Alright, so what are the odds that the last one's going to come out? Let's see here.
Did that one come out on the front? I think
Yeah,
it did.
it did. Although I think so far it's been like opposites. So like, I don't know.
We have broken, broken, broken. Alright, here we go.
Well, this will even it out if it does break.
Hey.
That's a good sign.
Oh, I don't know if it is.
That's a
'cause
good
I think
sign.
I need this guy.
Ooh, the big boy.
Might be too easy. Oh.
Nope.
And
It broke. It's not making noises.
It's kind of getting harder. Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Pretty sure that's
That
breaking
does
noises.
not- that does not sound good.
Yeah. Don't like it. Now it's really easy.
It got way too easy real quick.
Come on. No.
Big money, big money, big
No.
money. No whammies, no whammies.
Nah.
If you have to do this one more time, I swear.
Something weird's Well, it's definitely broke.
Ah!
Yep, she broke.
Dang it! I wonder what other people's averages are.
Stats.
Yeah, what?
It seems completely random, actually, on the location. No, what we're doing.
Getting a custom
Tool, third usage.
with just a couple $1,000s and 82 easy steps. You too, you too can change your Ford GT spark plugs. Ford Mustang GT.
Oh, jeez.
Is it still threaded on?
No.
Might still be threaded on.
No, that part broke. I think it's coming.
Is it?
Afraid of when it actually comes. Ow.
Gonna hit your hand again?
Hit something. Oh. This would be the hardest one.
Did you broke it free with the flathead?
Yeah, it seems like, yeah.
Remember that was the first step.
Yeah, it can move all around, so yeah. It's broken.
There you go.
Hey. Oh, yeah. There it is. That's what 3 easy payments of $29.95 will get you right there. Remember.
It works, doesn't it?
Yep.
Freaking works.
Promo
like
code SHOE20 at joeysworkshop.com. Hey.
You like the sound of that, huh? Hey, that's me. That's copyright Alex Rupert.
Oh, shoot. All right. So they're all out. And it only took us 17 days. I mean, when we started, it was cold. Now it's like summer. I don't know. But here we go. Now we can put the new plugs in. Yay.
All right, so we'll go over.
We're going to put them to 15 foot-pounds, I think. Wow. So
They are crappy looking.
yeah. We broke 3 today, and I broke 1 a couple months ago. So 4 out of 8 broke. But this tool alone, you know.
Yeah, I was gonna say, let's go over the tool
let's just appreciate this tool pulled out 3 spark plugs
Hey, that was my idea.
because they were still stuck down in like this. They're still stuck like that, basically. So there was no way to pull it. So you got right there on that, yanked her, and it worked perfectly. Had to cut and weld it, but because there's limited clearance getting in the spark plug hole there.
My stupid ideas and your engineering capabilities, we can do anything. He's known for braking going in.
Shut up. If they are, I'm throwing this car out. We're setting it on fire tonight. Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
That's good. That's good. All right.
Torque her down, baby. Torque her down.
Going 15 foot-pounds here.
Always tighten in a star pattern.
That matters. There we go. Not much. Just enough.
I think the other ones were torqued down to like way more than that.
The other ones, I would estimate that to be
How hard did you?
150 foot-pounds.
I was gonna say, how hard did you crank on that?
That was 150 foot-pounds at least.